welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Boitumelo Lit Pilo and thank you for choosing me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this badass look. Keep on watching. So you're going to need a mannequin, scissors, crochet needle, a wig cap, and your hair. Okay, so I said any of your choice, but I do not recommend this hair, guys. Please check the ones I recommended on the top right of the screen. I have used those hairpiece before and I know they definitely don't feel the same or look the same as this one. I'll show you guys in the next clip how bad this hair is. It just tangles a lot and it has so many knots at the end. It freezes. It's not easy to separate, but I made it work. I'll show you how I made it work. Keep on watching. Okay, so the hair has 4 bundles in it, and by the way, I used only 1 pack. So in your pack there are 4 bundles, and in a bundle there are 5 pieces. So this is how you are going to separate the hair, and you just have to be careful with the hair because the moment you pull it too much, the curls, like they just get so straight. And as you can see, this is what I was talking about. The hair at the end, it is so frizzy and it has so many like knots. I don't know what's happening. So you just have to always freeze it out and then you cut it. Freeze it out and then you cut it. So you take one piece and then you fluff the end, as you see here. Hey, this hair is bad, yo. You fluff the end and then you cut the pieces that are like left like that, and then you separate the hair. You don't cut it, you separate the hair and then you fluff it again. And then after fluffing it, as you can see, it's not easy to separate. You just cut it. Do not pull it, because you ruin the hair. You don't pull it. If it's stuck, you can't pull it, then you have to cut it. And then you roll it in your arms just for a grip, and then you cut the ends, and then that's it. I know you probably think like, why so many cutting, and it's just a waste of hair. It is a waste of hair, but at this moment I think there is no other way to do this hair, because it is so hard. It is so hard to separate, and if you pull it and then you pull it to a point where it doesn't allow you to pull it anymore. So that if you keep on pulling it, it's going to be straight and you are going to ruin the curls. That's just it about this hair. So you have to do this. To begin crocheting, you're going to take your crochet and let it through 3 holes of the knot, not less than 3, for a fine grip. And then you pull it, you get your hair there, and then you pull it, and you only do 1 knot, not 2, only 1 knot. That's enough. And then you just continue to do like that, and then you space your hair by using 2 fingers as you saw, and then you put your needle into 3 holes, and then you get your hair, pull it out, and then you tie a knot in 1 knot, and then you continue to do like that. So guys, let me just stop rambling a bit. I'll come back again to explain more, but in a long time, please keep on watching, and I'll see you soon. before I forget, guys, please do not pull the hair in the net too much, because it will ruin the net. But if it does ruin the net, I'll show you what to do in the next clip. To do the bangs, you are going to take your piece, and then you continue and fluff it out and fluff it out, and then you cut the piece into 2 pieces. So you are going to cut it in the middle. Now, after cutting it in the middle, you are going to get 2 pieces of hair. Now, in each piece, you are going to separate the hair into 3. That will be equal 6 pieces per bundle. You will start crocheting your bang pieces. Now you have to be careful here. You have to start crocheting from the front to the back and not from the back to the front, and do not begin your bang almost exactly at the bend of the wig cap. For your bangs to look natural, you have to spot the middle of the hair, of the mannequin, and then have your middle there. Do not have your middle in front or too way back, because it's not going to look natural. This is the part where my net ruined, so I'm going to fix it using a needle and a wool. So I'm going to sew it using the knot or the piece of hair that I used, that very same place, and then you just pull it towards the piece, and then it will just close up. So this is she. This is how badass she looks. It's so cute, guys. Oh, I'm in love. So let's get her in and see how we are going to customize and reshape, because it looks messy as you can see. So we are going to fix that situation. So guys, I forgot to mention that I don't have a stocking cap, so I'm going to use this cap instead because I have blonde hair, so you don't want it to show that side of the wig. So I'm going to put my wig cap on. If you have black hair, there's no need to do this if you don't want to. I'm just putting it because I have blonde hair, sis. So we are going to put her in. Let's get it. 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 Okay. Then we center it. Just like so. I look crazy, by the way. I look cute and crazy. Wow. So in order to shape and just to make it cute, I'm going to use my scissors and my huge comb. So before you cut the wig, you have to fluff it out. If you don't have this comb like this, the big comb, you can fluff it using your hands like so. It's still gonna work. So we are going to, and please be careful, as I said. Oh shit. Please be careful, as I said, when you comb the hair, when you fluff it out, hold the part that you are fluffing out, because you don't want to pull the cap that you saw in the wig with the neck. So you're going to hold it here and then you fluff it out. This was so messy, yo. Let's start from one side because this is not working. Let's start from this side, right? So I'm going to exchange with my hands and my comb, because with my hands I get control over what I'm doing compared to a comb. So I'll just interchange between the two. As you can see, it's coming. I'm going to cut because I noticed there are long parts. As you can see, this part here is longer than. So I'm going to cut it just like that. Cut the long pieces. Cut the long pieces. Don't be afraid to cut it, guys. It's really not that deep. Don't be afraid to cut it. honest, I wanted this hair to be longer than this and fuller, but the hair was just not giving me a chance. It was so fluffy and bouncy, and I didn't have a choice but to do it this way. But it ain't looking bad. It's actually great. I love it. Can you see that? I'm in love, child. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this hair. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.